Hey guys, so I'm back to my room and today I want to show you how to make one of the most popular local cocktails in Greece or on Corfu Island as well. And this cocktail is called Ouzo Lemon. Why, you might ask? Because it's basically just ouzo mixed with lemonade. So I will show you how that looks like. Big Joe! Cheap travels. Travel on a budget. So these are the ingredients that we need. Ouzo, this is written in Greek. It says the traditional Greek aperitif. And it's 40%. See here it says 40%. And in this bottle 700 milliliters. I bought this one in shop and it was €7. And what does it say? Greek. It's made in Greece and that's it. And you just buy some fizzy lemonade. I don't know how much was this, €1, €1.50. So 7, let's say for €9 you have like 3 liters of drink, a little less. So we're gonna go ahead and mix. You might ask, why is this like whitish color here? Because I keep it in the freezer, and when it freezes it turns white. Otherwise it's like you can see through like water, you know. I need both hands to do this. So I open them up, see? And yeah, how I like to mix it is like 1/3 of ouzo, traditional 40% drink, so 1/3 of ouzo, and 2/3 of this lemonade. Lemonade. And it will turn even more white. Yay! And there you have your ouzo lemonade here. If you had some ice would be also nice there. But I'm sorry, they did not have ice, and I don't have enough place in the fridge for ice. So yeah, let me try this ouzo lemonade. I hope I don't spill it. But I want to show you how it looks like. Cheers, guys. So you definitely feel that special herb. How is it called? Anise? Is it anise? Is that in Greek or is it in Bulgarian? Ouzo, it's basically the same as mastika. Mastika in the Balkans is the same as ouzo. It has the same special herb that gives it this special taste. And in Turkey they also have a drink like this that is called rakı. So it's all made from this special herb that gives it this taste, this distinctive taste, you know. And it goes really well with some lemonade or some Sprite. So ouzo Sprite is also like ouzo lemon. And this drink was popular back in the 80s, I think. But then the Greeks switched to whiskey there. And they are more modern, you know, better, whatever. So this is like traditional Greek drink, traditional Greek cocktail that I suggest you try at least once in the life, and you decide for yourself if you like it or not, you know. So that's all from me for now. Just wanted to share this information with you on what you should try when you are in Greece, or what you should try when you come to Corfu Island, or what you should try when you are in Kavos city, you know. So see you guys next time. I hope you'll click a like and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below. Maybe tell me something I don't know. I will be happy. So see you in my next video, guys. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you subscribe to my channel, put a like there, and see you next time.